I think there's a frog in my throat. Funny story. My mom's house, the house I lived from age 10 to, well, the age of reason, is currently having a bunch of work done, and the people doing the attic insulation found something peculiar. They found someone's little fort built into the wall behind one of the bedrooms. They have to crawl through the attic to get to. We're calling it Narnia. It's getting filled in with insulation. So I decided to crawl in there the other night and see what's what. I rescued an ancient AM radio. I also inhaled a bunch of dust, and ever since then, well, things haven't been quite the same. Maybe this is my superhero origin story. This is my 1967 Dodge A108 van. Unfortunately, it's moving on to greener pastures. In fact, so is that one, I think. 4 Dodge vans is too many. Or maybe it's the perfect number. Or maybe it's not enough. Oh, I need to air up that tire. Just step back and take in all the awesomeness the slot mags brought to the table. This had always been my plan for the van. When the radiator exploded, I kind of lost interest and parked it in the yard, like I do with everything else. And I never got around to doing this. But the gentleman who bought it, and is going to turn it into something awesome, said, "Hey, you got any cool wheels sitting around?" Yes, I do. Before the van leaves, I thought I'd finally treat you to a driving video, complete with 3 on the tree action. I shouldn't show millennials how to drive these things, but it's so cool. It's hard to resist. Just look at it. It's fantastic. Yep, fantastic. Everything's great. Safety sometime. Cold start. Oh. Mind you, it ran 13 hours ago. Nope. I think the carb drains back to the tank. Stay. Yeah, runs fantastic. That's slightly more gooder. No power steering. Did I mention my shoulder hurts? Yeah, it's got the old 2-pump brakes. I tried to bleed it without help. They don't really want to gravity bleed, so that means they're fine. They used to be 5-pump brakes, so I still see it as an improvement. Can you even believe the turn signals work? Whee! Hey, well, I guess it's that one that needs blood more. Also on the list of things I can't believe work, temperature gauge. None of the other ones do, but that's a nice touch. Man, you know, this is a set of random tires I've been carrying around for years. They had dirt and tree bits and all the beads. Drives great. Whee! Yeah. Might have to put some more effort into the brakes. stuff rolling around. Speedometer doesn't work. Let's just say it's fine. The garbage pile has grown exponentially. And it's been on fire. First gear in these transmissions is unsynchronized. Just look at it. Need some more meat on the back. But in general, I dig it. All right. How about some slant 6 power? It wheel hops like a truck. Darn symmetrical leafs. That's good fun. I'm reminded by that sound. I need to put one of these in. Biggest issue with the 3 on the tree. Finding the gears. My first 3 on the tree was a 74 Dodge sedan, 318. Very fun. When you go to try and power shift from first to second, or shift with any gusto at all, and it would bind up between the 2 gears, you couldn't move your shifter and you'd be jammed in first. Oh no! Good way to lose a stoplight race. Too much fun. The slant's so angry, it's just burning a hole in my yard. What a machine. I love this thing. As you can see, it's quite fun to drive. And with a bit of work, it could be an awesome campmobile or road trip machine. But unfortunately, I can't save all of them. And I've got something really neat in the works that I have to buy. So it's time to start kicking things off the table. I'm gonna be nice and see if I can't replace that U-joint real quick. And then the banana van's off to its new life, whatever that may be. Should be working on the charger, but this whole van thing happened. Maybe able to get a transmission next week. Stay tuned to find out. Or don't. But like, why?
My butt cheek, give me the ratchet. Is it not good? Nope.